Assalamu alaikum, your anchor person Saqib Afzal live from Saudi Arabia with the breaking news. Shah Salman Center launches Ramadan ration program in Pakistan. Shah Salman Center for Relief and Humanitarian Services had launched Ramadan ration program in Pakistan on Monday, April 5. A special function was held in this regard in Islamabad. Saudi Ambassador Nawaf al-Maliki, Defense Protection Minister Zubaida Jalal and several officials of the National Disaster Management Authority in Pakistan were present. Dr. Khalid Al-Usmani, in charge of the Shah Salman Center in Pakistan, said that 20,700 Ramadan ration bags weightage 850 tons would be distributed. Each bag provides food and drink for a family during Ramadan. 1,24,200 members of 20,700 families will benefit from this program. Ramadan ration packets will be distributed in 10 areas of Balochistan. Nankana Sahib District Administration is capable of dealing with any other emergency situation. To deal with this possible flood situation, agencies should make their equipment functional in time. All agencies are mobilized to deal with this emergency situation. Special Directive of Punjab Chief Minister Sardar Usman Buzdar in order to deal with this possible flood situation. All the concerned agencies should make their equipment functional in time. All the agencies are mobilized to deal with emergency situation. The district administration is capable of dealing with any emergency situation. All to deal with any emergency situation. Arrangements made by the institutions have been completed. Melsi District Police Officer Bihari Zahid Nawaz Marwa chaired a crime meeting at Police Lines Bihari. On this occasion, he said that the best person in the sight of Allah Almighty is the one whose existence is beneficial for others. So solve the problem of the citizens by making the service of the people the motto. Speak, crack down indiscriminately against competitive transport. If you are right, you will find the me with you. The welfare of the police personnel is one of the top priorities. Corona vaccination has been made mandatory for Umrah and visiting the Prophet Mosque during Ramadan. These permits will be issued to candidates who have received both doses of Corona vaccine or have passed 14 days on the first dose. According to Saudi news agency SPA, on official from the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah said the leadership has decided to increase the number of Umrah pilgrims and performers of prayers in Masjid al-Haram, Makkah and Masjid Nabawi for the sake of health and safety of the pilgrims or their staff. Liaqatpur, a speeding car overturned uncomfortably near National Highway M5 Shahid Sharif and fell into a ditch. 3 persons were killed on the spot and were shifted to hospital. Liaqatpur. A speeding car went out of control and fell into a ditch below National Highway M5. 1 person was killed and 3 others were seriously injured in this accident. The condition of 1 person is said to be out of danger. The dead body and 2 injured were shifted to Sheikh Zayed Hospital Rahim Yar Khan by rescuing personnel. The car occupants were on their way from Lahore to Karachi.